Protein powder is a popular supplement used by many people to support weight loss and muscle gain goals. While there are many commercially available protein powders on the market, making your own protein powder at home can be a cost-effective and healthy alternative. In this article, we will explore how to make homemade protein powder for weight loss and muscle gain. We will also discuss the benefits of using homemade protein powder and provide some recipes that you can try at home. Benefits of homemade protein powder. Cost-effective. Making your own protein powder can be a cost-effective option as it allows you to buy ingredients in bulk and avoid paying for the packaging and marketing costs associated with commercial protein powders. Control over ingredients. Homemade protein powder gives you control over the ingredients that go into your protein supplement. You can avoid any additives or artificial sweeteners that may be present in commercial protein powders. Customizable. By making your own protein powder, you can customize the flavor and consistency to your liking. Nutrient-dense. Homemade protein powder can be nutrient-dense as it allows you to choose high-quality protein sources that are free from preservatives, chemicals, and artificial ingredients. Environmentally friendly. By making your own protein powder, you can reduce waste by using reusable containers and buying ingredients in bulk. Ingredients for homemade protein powder. Protein source. The protein source is the most important ingredient in any protein powder. Some of the best protein sources include whey protein, casein protein, pea protein, brown rice protein, and hemp protein. Flavoring agents. To add flavor to your protein powder, you can use natural ingredients such as cocoa powder, cinnamon, vanilla extract, or stevia. Thickening agents. To give your protein powder a thicker consistency, you can use ingredients such as chia seeds, flax seeds, or psyllium husk powder. Optional add-ins. You can also add other ingredients to your protein powder such as nuts, seeds, or dried fruits to boost the nutrient content. Recipes for homemade protein powder. 1. Whey protein powder. Whey protein powder is a popular choice for many people as it is high in protein and contains all the essential amino acids. Here is a simple recipe for homemade whey protein powder. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup whey protein concentrate. 2. 1/2 cup oat flour. 3. 1/4 cup chia seeds. 4. 1/4 cup flax seeds. Instructions. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until you get a fine powder. Store the powder in an airtight container. Plant-based protein powder. If you are looking for a vegan or plant-based protein powder, here is a recipe you can try. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup pea protein powder. 2. 1/2 cup hemp protein powder. 3. 1/4 cup chia seeds. 4. 1/4 cup flax seeds. 5. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 6. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. 1. Combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until you get a fine powder. 2. Store the powder in an airtight container. How to use homemade protein powder. Once you have made your homemade protein powder, you can use it to make protein shakes, smoothies, or add it to your meals. Here are some ideas on how to use your homemade protein powder. Protein shake. Mix 1 scoop of your homemade protein powder with water, milk, or a dairy-free alternative such as almond milk. Smoothie. Blend 1 scoop of your homemade protein powder with frozen fruits, vegetables, and your favorite liquid for a quick and nutritious breakfast or snack. Oat. Continue. Meal. Add a scoop of your homemade protein powder to a bowl of oatmeal for a protein-packed breakfast. 1. Baking. You can also use your homemade protein powder in baking recipes such as protein bars or pancakes. Tips for making homemade protein powder. Choose high-quality ingredients. Choose high-quality protein sources and avoid any additives or artificial ingredients. Store in a cool, dry place. Store your homemade protein powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to preserve the nutrients and prevent spoilage. Experiment with flavors. Experiment with different flavoring agents such as cocoa powder, vanilla extract, or stevia to find your favorite flavor. Use a blender. Use a high-speed blender to ensure that all the ingredients are blended evenly and you get a fine powder. Consult with a healthcare professional. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult with a healthcare professional before making any dietary changes. Conclusion: homemade protein powder can be a cost-effective and healthy option for those looking to support their weight loss and muscle gain goals. By making your own protein powder, you can control the ingredients, customize the flavor, and boost the nutrient content. Try the recipes above and experiment with different ingredients to find your perfect homemade protein powder. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any dietary changes.